start with Euclid's geometry today. Euclid was a mathematician and he gave out some of the axioms and postulates which are the universal law, but he gave out in more elaborated and more good manner with proofs. So we are going to study about axioms first. So first axiom, Euclid's axiom is, if equals are equal to the equals, then they both are equal. If things are equal to the equal, then they both are equal. Now, for example, if A is equal to B and A is equal to C. Okay, so if equals are equal to the equal, if things are equal to the equal, then we can write as B is equal to A is equal to C. So, B is equal to C. Because A and A is common, so we can say that B and C are equal. So this is what the first axiom says. The second axiom says that if equals are added to the equal, then the sum will be equal. Okay. So for this we can say as A is equal to B and B is equal to C. A plus B is equal to B plus C. Why though? Because B and B are equal, so A and C are also equal, so we can say that their sum is equal. Okay. Same ways, third axiom says that if equals are subtracted from the equals, then the difference will be equal. So same ways, if A minus B is equal to B minus C, as in addition. Okay. Then fourth postulate says that if equal coincide the equal, this and this is equal. If they both coincide each other, then they both are equal. If things which coincide each other, we don't know that they are equal or not. Okay, I am talking about length. So if we coincide this, they both are equal. So things which coincide each other are equal. Fifth postulate is, the whole is greater than a part. Let's take, this is a whole, okay, and this is its part. So obviously the part is less than the whole. So we can say as the whole is greater than a part. Okay. Then sixth postulate is, double of the same things are equal. Seventh postulate is, halves of the same thing are equal. Okay, we can prove it by A is equal to B. A is equal to B. By multiplying 2 on both the sides, we can say as 2A is equal to 2B. So double of the same things are equal. Same ways, if we take A is equal to B and then we take that multiplying half on both the sides, so half of A is equal to half of B, so halves of the same thing are equal. Okay, so these were some of there are 7 axioms, okay, of Euclid's geometry. Then let's move to the postulates. Now postulate are with proofs. Okay, so let's say the lines. Okay, the first postulate is, line can be drawn from any point till any point. Okay, so we can draw line from here, we can draw line from here, we can draw lines from any point till any point, or we as per our choice. So this is a universal law which we already know, but Euclid has listed it down. Okay. Second postulate, the terminating line can be extended till anywhere we want. Okay. So if this line is terminating, okay, this is a line, then we can extend it at any point. As it is not a line segment, we can extend it till any point we want, right? So a line can be the terminating line can be extended at till any point. Then Third Euclid's postulate is a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. See, if we will draw a small circle and if we will draw a big circle, okay, we can take any circle and any radius to draw a circle if it is given till a particular radius or till a particular point. But if it is not given, then we can draw with a circle with any point and any radius, right? So this is what third postulate states. Then fourth postulate states that all the right angles are equal. Now what do we mean by right angles? Right angles means the angle which make 90 degrees. Okay, the angle which makes 90 degrees. So if many angles makes 90 degrees and then 90 is equal to 90, right? So all the right angles are equal. 90 degree right angles are 90 degree and all the right angles are equal. We can say, we can infer this from this. Okay. Then fifth and last postulate is, this is the most important postulate and this can be asked. Okay. So if two non-parallel lines are intersected by a straight line, then the pair of interior opposite angle, if the pair of interior opposite angle sums up and makes less than two right angles. Now less than two right angles means 90 degrees. Okay, so less than 180 degrees. If their sum is less than 180 degree, then when they are being extended, they would meet at any point on the side of a line whose sum is less than two right angles. Okay, so this is its diagram. If A angle and B angle sums up and the sum is less than two right angles means less than 180 degree, then if these two lines are being extended, they would meet at any certain point on that side of the circle. Okay, that side of the line. So these are some postulates and these are some axioms of Euclid's geometry. Let's take a recap. Okay, so the first axiom was things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Second axiom, that is, if equals are added to the equal, then the whole is equal. Third axiom, if equals are subtracted from the equal, then the difference is equal. Then third axiom, that is, things which coincide one another are equal. Okay, that was fourth axiom. Then fifth axiom, that is, the whole is greater than a part. Okay, then sixth axiom, that is, if equals are doubled, then the whole will be equal. Then seventh axiom, that is, if equals are halved, then the whole is equal. Now let's move to the postulates. The first postulate is a line can be drawn from any point till any point. Then second postulate is a terminating line can be drawn infinitely. Then third postulate is the circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Then fourth point, that is, all the right angles are equal to one another. Okay. Then fifth postulate is, if a straight line intersects two lines and the pair of opposite angles sums up and makes less than two right angles, then the line on then the side of a line which whose sum is less than 290 degrees will be extended and meet at any certain point. Okay, so these were some of the postulates and some of the axioms of Euclid's geometry. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get my latest updates. Thank you.